Hello, I am Kobe from Hearns Hobbies and I'm here with another new exciting release by Tamiya this year, 2025. It is the 1/24th scale, correct, Toyota GR Supra. Custom as well, so it comes with some custom carbon fiber bits and some rims that are custom to the car, which is really exciting. So let's open it up. The Toyota Supra is a 3-litre inline-6 sports car and is turbo charged by Toyota, and it won the best supercar of the year in 2020. Let's have a look in the box and see what we get. No shortage of parts. Opening up this box, you're getting a couple of different options by the looks of it. We have the instructions. Ooh, look at that. You're getting some marks and decals, which I'll go into later. So we have got our body here. Nice size body, very nice molded detail. Let's get in here and have a look. Classic Tamiya detail. Can always get at that with a scribing tool if you were interested, but straight out of the box, looking really, really lovely. Got your fuel cap on the left over here, on the right hand side, sorry. Doors, rear, it looks like it's going to build up to be a really, really nice model. Chuck that back in there. Bumpers, and we've also got some of the seat parts, I believe that is, and some of the trim on the inside. You got your steering wheel, exhaust system, brake pads and rotors and whatnot. So that's really nice. Plate of the bottom plate there. We have got the interior of the car on this part. We also have the chassis down here, which is nice. You got some nice molded detail in there where the exhaust is going to go. And then I believe these are spokes for one of the rims that we've got, which is really cool. I'm going to chuck those in here right now. So we've got this nice chrome molded plastic here with some rims, and then these are some inserts to the rims so that you perhaps don't have to paint them. I always would recommend, but it also helps with painting. If you were to paint these, say, red, or you wanted to paint in another color, it helps with painting those up really nice and then dropping them in there, which is lovely. We also have some of the drive components and sway bars and whatnot there. Nom nom nom, rubber tires. Jack, you're gonna love this. He's gonna build this one for us and he doesn't even know it yet. Okay, we've also got the seats and some more interior, the door cards. I got it right this time. We've got the dash, and we've got the instrument cluster there. Got the wipers. I believe we're getting 2 types of wipers, or at least 2 sets, just in case you break one. The seats, yeah, there you go. Nice details here. Clear parts, transparent as ever. We've got some really nice molding on here. That'll be lovely to mask up with those lovely masks that we've got. And here are the other rims that you get in the kit and some of the carbon options, I believe. So this will be the sprue that is designed for this kit, that makes it custom, I presume. So let's find out, hey, shall we? We have got our masks and decals here. Let's go into the decals first. Decals, there we go. Couple of little options there for the number plate. Speaker systems on the inside. There we go. Instrument cluster. Potentially, well, sure, a bunch of different options there. Masking stickers, and we have the chrome mirror parts for technical and your ability to build. Alright, here we have some general information in, well, Japanese first, English, and then we have German and French. We are going into the instructions now, so zoom out here a little bit. Read before assembly, Vorsicht, precautions, caution. Some recommended tools that they recommend, like glue, side cutters, decal scissors, hobby knife, tweezers, clear cement and drill bits. Okay, building up the rear suspension to begin with, and then attaching the disc brakes and the discs, or the brakes and the discs. The rear suspension going into the bottom of the chassis, and then we've got the exhaust going in as well. What else have we got? Here we go, the front suspension plate going in, and then here are our custom rims here. So they are a part of that sprue there. Otherwise, we've also got the normal standard wheels that you can use, which are designed for the regular Supra kit that would have come out not so long ago. Attaching those wheels to the underside of the chassis, and then putting in the exhaust system, and then we are going into the center console. So you've got a couple of different schemes by the look of it, A, B, and C. So there's different. Well, obviously it's going to be Australian and American, or European, because we drive on different sides of the roads, and we have our seats in different positions, which is really, really nice of them to do. They've catered to that. I believe there is just the manual version, which is good. Coming into the tub here for the interior, and then we've got different types of steering wheels. We're applying all of this. Dashboard, depending on which side you want to do, which scheme. And then we've got the seat being built up, which is really nice. Attaching more of the interior parts. There's obviously like a screen here that displays all of your information. Door cards, the door panels, and some of the rear interior lining going in there. And then we start work on the body. We are attaching some of these carbon fillets that go down near the where you're going to enter the car, where your foot would go. More body parts for the interior, and then we're going to be putting the masking tape onto the clear parts before we install them. We're installing here different windshield wiper blades, depending on which country you are in, or which side you drive on. More of the windows, building up the front bumper. We've got the Toyota symbol here. Headlights, left and right. Those are being installed, and then attaching the rear bumper. Okay, and then we're going to put the boot on, or the trunk, which is American or Japanese, I presume. The boot is going on, and then we're putting the taillights in, and it's all coming together down here. There we go. Interior and the chassis is going to meet the body. And then we have some of the final parts to put in. We have the license plate for a couple of different versions and whatnot. We have a couple of different versions here, attaching the side mirrors, and you're done. Here is your scheme that they say it comes with some of the decals and whatnot. It's recommending TS26 or LP2. So a white color. And yeah, there it is. That has been I might as well just do it here. Upside down. That has been the Toyota GR Supra in 1/24 scale by Tamiya, a brand new kit, and it is the custom version. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.